today we have to fix our headlight because it's hard to see it, but it's all fogged up from sun and everything.
It's disgusting.
We're using this McGuire's headlight kit to do that. Should be fun.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright, so the first step, you gotta put the 1000 grit sandpaper onto the sander. And just, sand it down. I didn't read the directions. And we have to get it wet. We had to buff it out with this drill, obviously. But after that, it looks pretty good. We'll have to do the other one. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. It kind of like cut out halfway through because my memory card's like dying. But anyway, that'll do it for this video. If you want to see more with Nicole, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. Peace out.